Hi there, YouTube. This is a Kirby sentria. It's a really nice vacuum. The story behind it is... Hold on. Bend that back so you can see that. Yeah. Let's put that back so you can see it. It's polished aluminum, and the story behind this one is I was walking through the thrift store yesterday. I saw this for $10, and I was like, it's a Kirby, it's such a steal. So I bought it, and this is it. It has LED headlights. Here's under here, under the hood. There's a brush area. It did not come with any attachments, so I'm without attachments right now. There's the hose. It has a little bit of duct tape right there because it has a rip. Let me move the vacuum back towards the light so you can see it more. There's in a better light. And this vacuum has these weird water marks on it. Don't know if you can see those, like right there. It's weird. There's the belt turn off. See the red arrows like close to that. And it's on. Then here's how you take the head off. I think the belt is actually supposed to be off when the head's taken off. I'm not sure. Well, there. Here's the head. It's so heavy. It's got a nice beater bar. And that's cool how you can adjust the height. Oh yeah, it's locked. Here's there, right there, that's the height adjustment thing. So you can adjust it down over time. You know what? I think those shouldn't be at that height. I think they should be at a 2 or 1. Because those are still in pretty good shape. Plus, you could tell this is newer, because I don't think they had LEDs back in the 1980s or even early 90s on Kirby's. So, put it back on, you just slide it over a bar on the back. Then you close that, then to turn the belt back on. Of course, just do that, you're ready to go. It is, I think, transmission driven. I don't think it's belt driven. I think it's motor or transmission driven. I'm not sure. So here's drive, here's neutral. The drive is supposed to eliminate 90% of the pushing that you have to do. Here's the adjustments. Here's the drive wheels back here. Here's the bag. It has a really long cord too. I think it's 35 feet or 40. Here's from the bag. Here's inside the bag. Just like a, I think it's Hoover bag. That's what came with it. Yeah, it's not that cool to use a used bag, but I'm not near a vacuum store, so I have to wait for eBay to ship my bags. Let's unravel that a little bit more. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. This vacuum compares to my Bissell. By the way, my Bissell Heavy Duty, for the fact that it just picks up the same amount. Seriously, I did a test where I went over the area with my Bissell than the Kirby. The Kirby picked up a little bit more, And then I went over an area with the Kirby, and then I went over it with the Bissell, and the Bissell picked up a little bit more. So obviously they're both in the same ranking. Plus they leave the same carpet lines, and they leave the carpet feeling the same way. So here's the Kirby on. So that was the Kirby in action, and you saw the LED lights. Yeah, it's a really nice vacuum all in all, and I have to give this vacuum a score of, I would say 8, 7.5, because just for the fact the attachments are just not connected to the vacuum already, like my Bissell. Because with a normal vacuum, you just pull off the attachment, then you just go away, but with this, you have to, like, remove this, and you have to connect the hose, blah, blah, blah. And it's just so stupid. But other than that, this is a great vacuum, and it's probably going to last longer than my Bissell. So, yeah, that's about it with this vacuum. So, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.